This is a special video because we are moving to New York City, Manhattan. It's gonna be insane, but we have packed up, we're ready to go, but we're gonna drive all the way there. So it's gonna be a crazy few days. It has snowed, I don't know. And so we gotta see if we can get all this stuff into a minivan with a cat and a Milad and make it to Manhattan in less than 3 days. Are you ready? No? The car is packed. It's time. It's time. Woodsy. Yeah. Ready for New York. I left the chips outside. I'm on the windshield, bro. We got a freaking cat. This is gonna be crazy. It is what time? It is 50 degrees, actually not bad. And it is 11:43. So, yeah.
Let's do this thing.
Let's do this thing, chicken wing. We made it to Wyoming, Cheyenne. Supreme Court behind me. State Capitol building right there. It's actually pretty sunny. It's windy. But it's cold. It's cold. It is about 0 Celsius, 32 Fahrenheit. So, and the car is packed. Nebraska. We're tired. It's been a long one. We're gonna go to Omaha still. That's where we're gonna sleep. Crazy. We made it to Omaha. We're gonna stay at the Embassy Suites, and it's been a long day. We're gonna go to bed. I'll give you a short little tour of the room, but yeah, that's it for today. It's been a long day, almost 24 hours in the car. I look dead. We all look dead. We just came into the room. Oh, look who it is. Look who it is. I haven't been to an Embassy Suites in like 10 years. They're pretty good. It quite literally is a suite. We have like a ton of space, and she has space to run around. There's a fridge and a microwave and a bathroom. Look at that. Hello. Hello, there's a sink. Hello. Oh my goodness. We got all the rooms. I don't even know where the lights are. But it's day 2 of the great American road trip. Underwear. She's not ready. Okay. Well, we woke up in Omaha. Looking fantastic outside. Not a thing to see. She's been running around. Hey, don't do that. Let's go to Chicago.
Let's do this thing.
He has emerged. Apartment. Going for $1,500 a month. We need roommates. Bob Carey Bridge. Lewis and Clark were here too. Iowa. You know, we could have had a sunny day at least. Twin. Again, $1,500, looking for a roommate. This is the entrance to the apartment. We do not have an extra key, so you just have to find your way in. The shoes are not included. There you go. That's it, easy. Across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the right foot. Dang. It smells like it everywhere. They got even jewelry. Yeah, they got you. Cool. Oh, hey, you want to go to the dentist? Get a haircut? Take a shower? Go watch a movie?
You know what I've always wanted?
What? Oh my god, look over there. It's massive. Whole lot of beef sticks, bro. Oh yeah. He's a kid in a candy shop. It's about the right size.
Too big.
I found you a pair. I think this is more your size. Yeah.
Oh shit, bro.
Yeah.
I'm out getting
What do you think is right here? There you go. 375. That's all it takes.
That's all it takes.
Yeah. It's nice, huh?
Very nice.
Very nice. Great success. Oh. 2 chains. Or you go to the club with this? Oh, the Mila. Oh, you got a bracelet. Nice. Made it to Chicago. It's a long drive. There's Mila. He wanted to flick the beam, but he could not.
Where's Bruce Wayne's baby?
Bruce Wayne?
Is it that one? The old one.
Perhaps. What does he do?
I'm not gonna do it after like.
Alright, we've done some walking around Chicago as you've seen, but now it's time to get the deep dish pizza, so let's try it out. The road trip after a wonderful night in Chicago, walking around, getting some good pizza. We wake up on the golf course, and it's time to hit the road for a long 13-hour day. Gonna go through, I believe, Cleveland. Yeah. It's a cold one out. Let's get back into the chariot of dreams. So, sorry I haven't captured many clips, but pretty much it's been dark and there's been nothing to see since we entered Pennsylvania. We're now in New Jersey. We're 15 minutes away from our destination. And, well, it's been quite the drive. It's been 3 days and like 33, 34 hours of driving. A lot of interesting stops along the way. We are 15 minutes from the capital of the world, New York City. Made it to New York, we're in the apartment, and yeah, thanks for watching. I look really tired, but hopefully in the next video, I'll do the apartment tour. You'll see the whole process, what it's like now that we are here. We're living in New York. It's crazy. The view is insane. And yeah, I can't wait to share this whole experience with everybody, but thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Now we gotta unpack everything. It's been a long journey.